national anthem yomkhonto wesizwe ithi bayakhala iAfrika bakhalila izwili ilathathwa ngabamhlo bawiki umhlaba wethu. Umhlaba wama-Africans wathathwa through colonization, and what the song says, Africans are crying for their land that was taken by the white supremacist system. That is capitalism. Capitalism yasebenzisa colonization yathatha umhlaba. Lithi ke iculo mabawuyeke umhlaba wethu. Bese kuba khona capitalism ingakho ke nje sithi akube system that we dismantle and overthrow. Uma ngabe sidismantlisha capitalism, where are we going? We are going to communism. But in order to get to communism, we need to go via socialism. Yayizwa lonto. So socialism iumgudu oya kiphi oya kwi-communism. Yini socialism umhlaba wonke zandle zabanta akunamuntu ophatha umhlaba ngayida ubayisababu ayizaba mabhujwa onqiwa ngoba befuna ukusetshenzelwa ngabantu. This is another revolutionary song, roughly translated lithi, what is socialism? Socialism says the land must be returned to the people. The land must not be controlled by few individuals. Okusho ukuthini lokho na? Okusho ukuthi i-socialism iresponda to capitalism. What is capitalism? Capitalism is an economic system in which few individuals and private businesses own and control the means of production. And again, the fundamental and the primary means of production is the land, of course. And then you have your industries, your factories, and etc. Capitalism, the primary goal is to generate profit. And again, inalento leyo privatization, market fundamental, market free market fundamentalism. Ukuthi government akadlalele kude ne-economy nezomnotho, i-economy izozenzela yona. Adam Smith ke khona incwadi ayibhala enama principles e-capitalism. Uthi kula khuluma khona nge-invisible hand, the invisible hand of the market. Market will self-correct. Yes, it will make mistakes, but it will self-correct. But we know that is not true now, because we have seen on things like about recession, economic meltdown and depression, the state had to intervene. Our market couldn't correct that. So yeah, but that is why uqhamuka ini i-socialism. I-communism i-socialism, sorry. Not socialism, i-capitalism, yeah. Yini inkinga nge-capitalism ukuthi yenza ama-promises. It made promises. Ngoba phela i-system siyijudge on its ability to fulfill the promises that it made to the people. It made ama-promises and it has failed to fulfill those promises. One of those promises yathi kuzoba khona equality and fair distribution of wealth. Usho capitalism. Capitalism indlela yayizopromote ngayo upward mobility and prosperity for all. But ke siyazi ukuthi lokho akwenzekanga because la eSouth Africa nje in particular inequality is one of the highest in the world. Lento ye trickle down economics ayisebenzanga la eSouth Africa. So this is one of ama failures. State to an stable growth. One that does not hurt the environment for quick gain. Stinga into a long time economic growth, not the destruction of the world. Snabo global warming khona manje and so forth and so on. So this is another failure of capitalism. Bese kuba khona lento le equal opportunity to but in access universal access to basic needs. Le ukuthi sothola your education elinganayo, your education, your health care and other public goods okulinganayo, yabo. Ilokhuzana capitalism failed to deliver on that. And lokho okulidele ekutheni kuthiweni no, let us have an alternative. But the alternative yakhona yini communism. But ukuze sifike kwi-communism kumele siqale sidlule kwi-socialism. I-socialism izokwenzeka kanjani na? Ngokuthi i-state sibe empowered, sinikezwe amandla to intervene la kumele si-intervene khona. Uyabona? I-state through regulatory authority. Njengalento nje kade why sisupporta i-Bella Bill is because it is bringing back the power of the state to regulate education, as opposed to private sector doing its own thing, the public sector and so forth and so on. The power manje education is back to the state. Akakalungike vele. Okay. As okunye okumele kubuye ukuze istate sizokwazi ukulungisa okonakele, because phela we have given capitalism a chance. It's not like we haven't given capitalism a chance. It's time we test something else, because capitalism is making lezimo lezibe worse. Sidinga umhlaba back. Right, sidinga umhlaba back. Now, socialism is not going to do away with privatization and all of that. But sidinga umhlaba back, si regulate i-redistribution ye-economy ne-redistribution yomhlaba. That is what we need. Privatization isn't a fun, no privatization and market fundamentalism. They can exist within that framework. We want the state to be in control of everything that is important, so that it can correct that which was done wrong by colonialism and by its offspring, apartheid. And now by the 30 years of this stagnant democratic dispensation. That is what socialism is about. Tina as Umkhonto, that is why we say we must change the constitution, because that is what needs to be done in order to get back the land. That is our socialism. We need the state to have more power and to be able to exercise the power, not for the state to be hamstrung by counter-revolutionaries. We need the state to exercise some form of dictatorship. That is socialism. Give the state regulatory power. Give the state regulatory power. Ngoba ngeke phela ukuthi wena ungane inkomezo uyimiliyoni kodwa kamakhelwana belala bengadlile. So someone must intervene and say, and take your cows and give it to kamakhelwana. That is what socialism is. That is how simple socialism is. That is what Umkhonto wesizwe want. Socialism. Abantu ukuthi babe free bangahlupheki. This is socialism. Ya umuntu ke mhlawumbe kuzomela abuya enze enye video la azobe khona ekhuluma kahle lento, ngoba capitalism nje basikhuluma ngayo nje and socialism are two of the